Alright, y'all. I'm going to show you how I clean up my chainsaw. Alright, so chainsaw, doesn't matter what model it is, you have to loosen that one and then take out the nuts, the two nuts, take it out, open it up. So you'll have all the sediments here. I already cleaned it just now, but I'm going to show you this is all the sediments here of sawdust and whatnot. And here also will be a lot of sawdust. What you do is take air compressor like I have, the air compressor and a nozzle. The nozzle has a blow, that's the pressure, air pressure kind of comes out of there, you see. So you take that and you blow it. Once you blow it, once it's clean, you blow this part. Alright, so it's all clean now. So like I said, I already cleaned it up. I was just going to do a demo for you guys to see how to do it. Once you blow everything out, it'll be very clean. Make sure the hole here, that hole has to be clean, and you have to lube it after you use it. A few weeks or whatever it is, how much, it depends on how much you use it. You have to always put grease in there with the grease gun. Take a little grease gun, like a silicone grease, and pump it in there. And you have that hole on both sides of the saw. Right there on both sides you have that. So that's what you do. You put the grease in there, and that'll keep this. There's a little sprocket. That sprocket will get lubed up. You see that sprocket right there? That sprocket right there, that spins. So that sprocket has to be lubed up, right? Okay, so your saws will last longer. Okay, all right. And if you want to get a bar and a chain, all that, this is a good brand. I use it because it's cheaper than the brand names, and it's last long enough. And this chain is very sharp. This is like a no safe chain. That means it's very sharp. You have to be very careful, okay? Because the chain that came with the saw was like the safe chain, where it has little blunt edges. But I got this no safe chain, which has more tooth in there to bite through the wood. It's very fast cutting, but also dangerous. You have to be careful when you buy those kind of chains, the fast cutting chains, which has more edges, the sharp edges. Okay, so yeah, there are different type of chains and bars and all that, so you got to accommodate what you need with your needs. Yep, so as simple as that. You blow it up, clean it up, good to go. And make sure you have safety glasses when you do it.